How to unlock your Facebook profile. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove profile lock and make your Facebook profile visible again. Start by opening the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Next, tap your profile icon and go to your Facebook profile. If your profile is currently locked, you'll see a message indicating that profile lock is enabled. To remove it, tap the menu icon and then open Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Here, look for the Profile Locking option and tap on it. You'll now see information about what happens when you unlock your profile. Keep in mind that unlocking your profile will restore your profile visibility settings, although any privacy settings you changed manually may remain unchanged. Tap Unlock Your Profile to continue. Then, confirm by tapping Unlock Profile on the next screen. Once completed, your profile will no longer be locked, and your content may become visible according to your current privacy settings. After unlocking your profile, it's a good idea to review your privacy settings to make sure your posts, stories, and profile information are shared with the audience you want. That's how to unlock your Facebook profile.